Hello guys, this is Safe and today I will walk you through the entire process of using Lemlist, starting from the setting up of your account to mastering its key features and maximizing the potential of your campaigns. So let's get started. First, let's press on try for free. The best thing about Lemlist is that its trial version does not require any data about your credit card. It only requires data about your email address and password. You can also use Google or Microsoft for faster sign up. Since I already have an account, I will just press on login. Now we can see the interface for Lemlist. There are many major components for this interface. The first major component is the left menu. This menu contains many components. We can categorize them into four main components, which are dashboard, main menu, tasks, and resources. Starting from dashboard, as we can see, it shows you an interface of your due tasks, your email provider, and other services that you can use from Lemlist. It also shows you sequence of steps that you can use for easier workflow. On the top right, you can also press on invite users and select any teammate, domain, or email that you want to invite to use Lemlist. Next is the main menu. It contains many tabs starting from campaigns. Here you can see all your campaigns or your existing campaigns. You can also create a new campaign from here. Now let's just delay this step for later. Next, you can press on reports and you will see insights and visuals regarding the performance of your campaigns. Next is templates, where you can choose any template or create a template for your emails, schedules, or images. Next tab is the unsubscribe tab, in which it contains all the mails that you want to avoid cold mailing. This ensures that you have an organized and systematic cold mailing process. Moving to the next tab, which is tasks, it shows you all the due and upcoming tasks that are pending. Then we have plans and billing. It shows you the current plan that you use in Lemlist. Next is the team settings. In case you are working in a team, it shows you the team configuration, reports, integrations, and labs. Now we have the cockpit tab, which is very beneficial for team managers because it gives them the option to grant control and permission for different team members. Finally, the resources tab, which contains different guides, tutorials, and materials, amazing materials, that can help you to easily use and learn about Lemlist. Now moving to the next important feature of Lemlist, which is the top menu. It contains multiple options, starting from inviting users, which was the same option that we accessed from the dashboard here on the top left. You can also access the search bar, in which you can find any page, any email or domain that you use on your profile. Next is this thunder sign, which really gives you an easy way to send direct mail or make a call without much navigation in the platform. Next is the notification panel, which gives you updates and news about your profile. Here you can access your profile or account and change anything regarding account settings. You can also access Help Center, and you can share feedback with the product team and so on and so forth. You can also choose how the interface look like. As we can see here, we chose the dark view. We can also revert it back to the light one. Finally, from here, you can access different services that Lemlist provide for you. We will just use the first service for now. Now we are all set up. Let's start our first campaign. But before starting, we need to provide our email first so it can start cold mailing. Here we can see two email providers, which are Gmail and Office. However, if you are dealing with another mail provider, you can just write your login credentials here and write your password here and press connect. For now, I will just connect my Gmail. And perfect. Now let's start our first campaign. Press on campaigns on the main menu. This is an old one. I will just delete it and start a new one from scratch. Create a new campaign. Here you can use AI to create your campaign. However, in this video, we will use create manually. As you can see on the top, there are 3 major steps for you to create your own campaign, which are sequence, lead list, and review and launch. In sequence, it first gives you some options in case you want to provide a specific sequence in your campaign. Here we will just choose the email. We want to send automatic mail. It will ask you about the sender, who will send the cold mail. I will choose my account. Then it will ask you about the subject of the mail and the context. Once you are done with this, just press next. Before pressing next, we can access on different templates. There are many dozens of templates that Lemlist provides. You can choose any template you want. However, I will not use anyone for now. Now let's press next step to transfer to lead list. Here it gives you many options to import the leads or the domains or whatever that you want to send your cold mail to. In this video, we'll just import manually. I will just write 2 mails. And press continue. Here it gives you many options so that you can enrich your lead data. In this window, you can complete your lead data, their phone numbers, their company names, and so on and so forth. It also gives you the option, which is debound service, that can help you to avoid landing your mail in spam. However, we will just use no enrichment and import our leads. Now we are ready to reach the final step, which is review and launch. It gives you a quick overview of your campaign so that if anything is wrong, you can just revert back to the step which contains the mistake before pressing on publish your campaign. We will just choose all our leads and we will press review. Perfect! You created your first campaign. That was all for our video today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, subscribe to our channel for more hacks and tutorials. Thank you for watching.